morning, guys. It's Friday. So love Fridays. So I hope you guys have had a great week, and I will see you in a little bit.
Good morning. Ready to go?
Yeah.
What's going on today?
Pictures.
Picture day?
I never do pictures.
You've never been to picture day before, huh? You ready?
Sammy already did.
Yep.
Sammy.
She's done it before. Yep.
I don't.
All right, let's roll.
Mama, Daddy, remember I was a baby and I can't do picture day?
Yep. Okay, you ready to go?
And I really wanted to do.
Yep. Okay, let's go. Okay, we ready to go in?
Yeah.
All right, get unbuckled. Unbuckle, Sam. Okay, go in.
Got it.
All right, we'll see you after school, okay?
Okay.
I had come home. I had some coffee, did some editing, and now I'm heading back to school to pick up Charlie. And then I think me and Charlie are going to go to the grocery store and get a couple of things, and then go home, have some lunch. How was your day, Charlie?
Good.
How did the pictures go?
Good. I was on the bottom.
Yeah.
So you can see me.
Okay.
Want to see my picture?
I can't see your picture yet.
Why?
Because I don't have it. They don't have it yet.
I know, but when we come back here again.
Yeah, they'll have them eventually. We'll get them back soon.
Yeah.
You want to go to the store for a little bit? We got to grab a couple things?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. What did we get, Char?
Toilet paper.
We got toilet paper, yep. What else?
Milk.
Milk, yep.
Cheese.
Yep.
And
Other things. Not a lot, just a couple little things we needed. All right, ready to go home?
cheese and milk and milk.
You ready to go home?
And coffee.
Yep. You ready to go home?
But this is
Well, coffee creamer.
coffee cream.
All right, let's roll.
Well, it says cough.
Oh, okay.
It says cough.
Okay, hi everyone. Clarissa got this a few days ago, but I haven't had a chance to open it up or set it up or anything yet. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Take a look at what's in the box and how to set it up.
Is it looking good?
Yep.
Does it look good? Was it you in it?
All right.
Doesn't look cool. Looks so cool.
Here's the box.
So, Daddy, does it look so cool?
Yep.
Oh, it comes with a plushie.
All right. Let's box one. Let's open up the next box.
There's a lot of boxes. Look!
Okay. Inside it is even more boxes. So this one here is the vacuum cleaner. I'm pretty sure. Yep. And there it is.
Isn't this wrong? Daddy, isn't this wrong?
Okay, so we'll have to follow the directions and see how to set it up. Here's the directions down in here. Warranty card stuff. Don't get that one. Fill that out afterwards. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Here is batteries for, I assume for the virtual wall. I believe that's what that is. Spare spin and brush. Spare filter. Power cord, I assume for the base. I believe this is a spare bag for the base. So set this stuff off this side for now. Let's see what else we got here. Just packing material, I believe. Yep, just extra packing material to keep it all organized. And I believe here we have the base. Everything else is just packing material. And this here is one of the primary differences with this new vacuum cleaner is this base. Because what it is supposed to do is actually, it empties the vacuum cleaner. If you've ever had a Roomba or used it, you know that you basically have to empty it out every day or thereabouts. This one is supposed to automatically, when it docks to charge, automatically suck everything out of the bin in the vacuum cleaner. So thereby making it so you don't have to actually empty the vacuum cleaner every day. You only have to empty the bin every now and then. It says that the bin will hold 30 bins from the vacuum cleaner. So in theory, you could potentially go a month without having to empty this, if you have it cleaning every day. So we'll check it out, see how it all goes, works. So here's the bin that opens up, and like I said, here's one of the bags. I showed it came with a spare one. So this one goes in, it slides right in here, and you push it right in, and then that's it. And it's got a little lever that locks it in place. Pop the lever, thing slides out, and as you pull up on it to pull it out, it closes the hole in the bag so nothing falls out. Isn't that pretty slick? Lock that in place. Oh, the little locker locks automatically when you close the... Alright, cool. So that's the base. I believe it sucks it out right through here. Yep, right up through and up into it. And, alright, let's read. See what I gotta do to set this up. Let's see. Home-based charging station. Plug it in and let it charge. And that's all there is to it. There pretty much is nothing. Dual mode, virtual wall. Choose a mode, meet your needs, virtual wall. Well, that's interesting. So these virtual walls, our old one had these, but I don't think they work the same. These ones work two ways. One, you can set it up and create a wall so the robot won't go through it. Say you have an opening, you don't want it to go into that other room or something, you can set that up to block it from going into another room. You can also set it up in what they call halo mode. So you can set it up, and you can set up to a 2-foot diameter radius around it. 24-inch radius around it of a no-go zone, so it won't go within 2 feet of it. So their example is like putting it by the by like your pet dishes or something, so it doesn't like knock the water or it doesn't knock the bowl of food over or something like that. Obviously, you can think of lots of other ways you could set this up, and there's certain areas you don't want it to go or something. So these might be a useful thing to get several of. I'm thinking, because I know we have areas that the robot used to always get stuck in before. We'll see if this one gets stuck in those areas. If it still does, then I might put this in those areas to keep it from getting stuck. So we'll see, but that's interesting. All right, so basically, let's look at this thing a little more. So it's basically very similar to the old ones. I don't see much differences. Their handle is a little better. Before the old style handle that I used to have, hooked down out here and it folded up, and it was very flimsy. This is much more solid. It's much more compact. So that's nice. The bottom of it looks very similar. You got your rotating front wheel, your standard wheels for moving. Sensor. The sensors look like they're placed a little better. Let's see. This is the automatic dirt bin. Now, do you not need to empty it? You still, seems like you still would have to empty it occasionally. So I have to play with it a little bit to figure out how it works and opens. Okay. Oh, there's how you open it. The bin. You don't have to flip it over. You just push the button and it pops out. And there's where the extra filter goes. Like I said, that's the automatic automatic dirt disposal. It just sucked it right through there. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. It looks like, oh, there we go. There's a button, so you can empty the bin if you need to empty the bin out. There is also a mesh in here to keep stuff from going through. I was trying to figure out. There's how you replace the filter, just like that. It's got pictures. I'll have to read the book. It's got a picture of like a water droplet and then with the filter and no water droplet. So it looks like if you have this on, make sure it's not picking up any spilled liquids or not. My guess is it almost looks like it could pick up spilled liquids if you take the filter out. So that's interesting. Okay, so this goes, it doesn't just slide in, it pivots in, clicks into place. That's cool. Let's see, what else? How do we pull the brushes out? You just pop that out and then pull the brushes out? No. So, how do we clean the brushes? Because that was always a big chore before. It looks like these brushes won't get clogged up as much. Cleaning. To clean, no, that's not good cleaning I want cleaning of the robot. Multi-surface brushes, clip sensors, charging contacts. Brush frame release tab. Which is what I did. And it looks like these just pull out. Yep, they just pull out. These are much different than the previous versions. No actual bristle brush like there was before. Interesting. It looks like maybe this will work, should work a lot better than the old one. The old one, the bristle brush would just get packed with hair and stuff and basically become ineffective, and you had to take it off and clean all the hair off it. It was quite the mess. We'll see how well this one fares. Anyway, so I assume I gotta charge it first. I also did not see how to change the battery, but maybe they're not as big of a deal anymore. All right, let's plug it in and try it out and see how it goes. I think the first thing, like I said, the first thing I gotta do is plug it in and charge it up. Charging. Oh, you gotta place it on the thing to activate the battery. Here comes with a partial charge. We recommend you charge the robot on the charging station for 3 hours prior to starting the first complete cleaning job. All right, let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, I got the base station plugged in. It actually has a nice spot in the back for you to coil the cord around, and it's got little notches in the side that let you bring the cord out so you can push it tight up against the baseboard or the wall or whatever. So that's what I got. Now it says in the instructions, I just set this on the base and it'll activate the battery. So, turn it right up there. Boom. And it's charging. Now it says you're supposed to let it charge for 3 hours before you do a full complete clean. I'm not ready for a complete clean, but let's try it out and see what happens. Alright, that's not how it works apparently. I guess I gotta read the directions more, huh? Okay, so we read the directions. While on the charging station, your robot's light ring indicator will indicate the charging status. Solid white means fully charged, pulsing white means charging, and pulsing red means too low to clean. The light ring indicator will turn off after 1 minute to save energy. Okay. I guess maybe it was still activating itself. Alright, now that it's pulsing, that means it's charging. So in theory, now I can hit clean. I guess I just had to wait for it to finish activating itself.
Daddy.
Keeps bumping the chair, the camera's on. If you notice, anybody that's had one of these before, I don't know if you notice what it's doing, but it's actually working back and forth in a much more organized pattern than the old ones. The old ones just kind of went randomly. This one will actually learn the layout of your house. I gotta set up the app still, but this one will learn the layout of your house so you can set it to clean certain areas. So you can set your schedule to clean just certain areas at a certain time. So, in theory, tap the button again, it'll pause it. And I believe if I tap it or hold it or something, I can send it back. Oh, I just hit the home button. I think.
Daddy.
Alright, let's see. Let's see what it says. It says charging to clean. Start or resume a clean job, just tap the clean button. Roomba will automatically go to the home. To send the robot back to its charging station, tap the center of the clean button to pause it, then tap home. A blue light ring will indicate the robot is seeking a charging station. So, pause it, hit the home button, and it should try to go back home. you gotta really tap it. There. Blue light means it's trying to head home. And that was the base powering up to suck all the dirt out of it. That's pretty. That sounds like it's got some pretty good suction, so it should clean it out pretty good. Oh yeah, it pulled dirt and hair in.
How?
It's loud, but it seems to work good.
I didn't do that.
Because that's how it empties itself. Now it theoretically took all the dirt out of the.
I don't know. We don't have like the
No, we never had one like
vacuum.
that, huh?
We don't have the vacuum before.
Alright.
We never had the vacuum.
I guess it shuts off its brushes and stuff as it approaches the thing because there was some dirt right here on the floor. But anyway, so we'll see how it works. We'll probably update you at some point in time to let you know what we think.
It's not done charging. Right.
Right. Roomba's all set up now, and I linked it to the Amazon Echo, and so now we can do things like this. Alexa, ask Roomba to clean.
Would you like to clean all your rooms?
Yes.
Okay. Roomba has started cleaning.
How's your lunch, Char? So we got our robot cleaning the floor. We need another robot.
What?
We need one to do the dishes for us.
No.
You don't think so?
No.
Well, how are all the dishes gonna get done?
You.
Okay. How was your day?
Good.
How'd pictures go?
Daddy. Oh, Mommy, guess what?
Did you have a good day? You had a good day though?
Guess what? I don't want my sister.
Did you change your boots for gym? No. You wear your boots during gym? How'd that work out?
Watch. That was easy. You didn't do any running.
Oh, you didn't do any running or anything?
Smoke.
Oh, you can see your breath? Not quite. It's not quite cold enough out.
See, Daddy, watch. See it?
Wow. Okay, let's go inside.
Daddy, do you want to see my...
Good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hit a thumbs up if you like our videos. And remember to subscribe.
Got any questions?
Yeah.
What?
Leave a comment down below. Yeah, and you ever went? You ever went? No. You ever went to see your teacher?
Okay. All right.
Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Peace out, kids. I have two.
What? Quick.
Question. I have two questions.
Quick.
Leave a comment down below. You ever watch My Little Pony?
Okay. All right.
I
Good night.
said you ever go to watch My Little Pony.
Yep. All right.
I
Good night.
I changed it. Peace out, kids.